Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something that I have not done in a very long time, and I'm going to be unboxing the IPSY bag. So I don't know if you guys have heard of this subscription or not. It is super affordable. I'll leave all the details on the screen or in the description box down below. It's where you get a makeup bag every single month with different makeup products to try, and they are pretty much like sample sizes. I do feel like they do deluxe or full size. It just depends. You never know what you're gonna get. But yeah, this is the one that I received for this month, and I used to do this on my channel very long ago, and I miss it, and we are doing this today. Excuse the quality. I have to film on my phone because I forgot my SD card. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it. This is like an old school type of video. I miss doing these videos. And I think I remember seeing the bag online briefly, but I don't really remember. So, yeah, I remember now. This is the bag. I think it's super cute. Before I look into that, let me see what else is in here. Oh, there's a full-size product. It's a brush. This is Shania. I don't want to like chop up the name. Shania B Miami. Pretty cool. It's really pretty. I was looking for the card, not in the bag. All right, so yeah, the first thing is a contour brush. It does look synthetic, which I think I'm gonna love because recently I've been into like cream blushes. This seems like it would be really nice. Yeah, it seems really soft. It seems really soft. I'm gonna get some use out of this. Or for cream contour, I think this would be so perfect. So pretty cool, full-size product. Happy about that. All right, so we're gonna look into the bag. We're gonna get into the good stuff. This is the bag. It is a beige type of leathery, faux leather bag. It says IPSY on the back in white, and it has like a women empowerment type of message or like photo. It has 4 girls, obviously like of different races, and they're just holding hands. I think that's cute, like super, very like woman empowerment. It has the little blue and red little zipper, and then the red zipper. So we're gonna crack into half. So first I'm gonna pull out the card. I think it says what's on here, so I'm not gonna look inside. It says March. This is the March bag. This is my birthday month. Yeah, so it says stronger together. You got this. The future is female. Amen. Amen. I love women empowerment. It says like Cher and Dion and red lipstick and a cat eye. Some things are just better together. Celebrate the people and products that make you look and feel your best. Get into the months, whatever. This is what the card looks like. I don't want to look inside, so. All about add-ons, make your bag even more exciting and add up to 10 additional products. So yeah, all your faves at epic prices. Deluxe samples, $3. Full-size faves, $12 and $18 shipping, free. So yeah, it just gives you some information. So I'm just gonna go ahead and see what we have. The first thing, or the second thing that I pulled out is the, how do you say this? Nouveau Hair Care. It's a Mega Moisture Argan Mask. Pretty cool, I really do. I'm trying to get my hair in check. Yeah, repair, hydrate, renew, plant-based formula to repair and transform the hair. Salon professional. No sulfates, no paraben, no animal testing, so that's a plus. Let's go ahead and smell this. Is it open? It's not open. You guys probably can't see because of the quality. Smells good. Smells like a fancy hair product, so that's pretty cool. Excited to try this. Next we have in here is a One Kind Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. I'm gonna love this. This is a rosehip oil. Nice. So I can't wait. I am addicted to skincare so much, and I can't smell it because everything's closed. At least that's a good thing. Anyway, I cannot like open this right now because of my nails. It's really nice. It's a good size product. Like you can definitely get a few uses out of this, so that's cool. Next thing, I don't know if you guys can see. Next, we're going to pull out this. Ooh, this is a Eco Clean Beauty Fab recyclable packaging. What is it? Eco Fabulous? This is a blush. Ooh, it's a cream blush. I recently did a cream blush and everything my cream blushes are amazing right now. I was actually trying to put one on because I did my eyeshadow, I did my lashes, I popped on some lip gloss, and I kind of popped on some cream blush because I don't want to wear like a full face today, just because I'm doing, this isn't cream. I'm like, this isn't cream. Anyway, it's in the shade, it pops out, so you really have to be careful. That's interesting. Or maybe I don't know, I guess it pops out. It's really cute. I love the packaging. It's in the shade Camila. This isn't cream. This is powder, guys. Are you on crack? Yeah. It says cream. Oh my god, Velma. It doesn't say cream anywhere. It just says Clean Beauty. Goes to show that I don't read. Yeah, it seems very minerally, like pretty powdery. I mean, I don't know. It looks a little luminous. It looks nice. Like, I love the shade. It's just like a soft pink, but I love the packaging. It's super cute. I think that's really, really cute. So, pretty cool product. It's almost like a full size because when are you gonna use a whole blush, you know? All right. And I did only get 4 products. The last one is in this little bubble wrap. Who else sits here? Like, has to pop all the bubbles. All right, so we got a makeup product, it looks like, and we have a Elimon Beauty. This is a Ariel and Luna eyeshadow duo. Pretty cool. It's an eyeshadow duo. Ooh, that is beautiful. So you have like this really purple, I don't know, they're both shimmers. One of them is like a really purple highlighty color. Oh wow. And then the other one's like a pink purple. And you guys can see that. I'm gonna try to swatch it here on my hand. Really pretty. Like, this one's super sparkly. They're a little powdery, just like the blush, but I mean, you won't know. Like, I feel like that doesn't do anything for me. When people like complain that they're too powdery, too chalky, I don't feel like that matters sometimes. I don't know, maybe it's just me. But it has like some pretty good pigment. They're very pretty. Very, very pretty. Very like shimmery. So I'm gonna have to try these on the eyes sometime. Let me know if you want me to try all these out together or something. Looks really nice. So yeah, that's cool. I got 4 products, almost like pretty much a full-size blush, an eyeshadow duo, a hair mask, and a face mask, or a face skincare. And then you also can just use these cute little bags like for whatever. So I love it. I'm so excited to be back with IPSY, like to be part of, you know, their subscription. So that is cool. Yeah, so if you guys are interested, I'll leave all the deets down below so you can go subscribe. And I'm not sponsored. I wish I was, but we're not there yet. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Let me know if you get the IPSY. Let me know what you got. Did we get the same products this month? I need to know in the comments down below. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.